Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Today I am with you. Today is the topic of a current time and date and day and month name. Okay. So today is Tuesday and the current month is going to January and today days is 25 January 2020 year and 21. Here you can check it my screen on the laptop. So how to make it current date time. Okay class, here I create a tag. I just zoom the screen of the laptop. You can see that tag heading 1 and ID is current underscore time. You can see on the HTML page window minus, you can see. Okay, let's begin how to make a this time. Okay class, we need a JavaScript SCRI, hit enter and 2 times 3 times enter and make a just bracket and type in the function tab and again a space, make again bracket and space here and make here a curly bracket, hit enter 2 more 3 times. So this is a one function. Okay, make one more function in the function. How? Just tab and type a function space and just bracket and space, hit curly bracket, enter. So this is the error. We need a name of this function. I just put a name check and time. See, error is gone. So this function in this function. Okay class, now we need some more function. First of all, we are going to web page. You see the time format, 00 is a hour, 00 is minutes, 00 is second. This symbol is a colon which you see in the between time. Okay, so window plus, and now we here are type just bracket and put I is a import, not import, is a just a integer less than 10 and question mark. What is I less than 10? Okay, if put a result like I just make a format like this, so it is a not a format of this time. You see here. Okay, window minus, zoom out. So this is a not a correct time. I open my time here, click, you see window plus, this is the format of time 000000 between colon window minus. Okay, now we make a remove 10. Okay, let's go come here and window plus. Now this is a question mark, so put here a inverted comma and type here a 0, again space and hit plus and I plus integer plus into integer, not a big capital I, small I, and type a semicolon. Okay, semicolon. Why we show here error? Okay, we not type here a written, written. Okay, so error is gone. So error still is not gone. So here we create a stack, just put a colon, so error is gone. Okay, window minus. Okay, window plus. Why I am typing here written? If you see time, if you see time 30, so 10 is going to automatically remove. So how to make code? You just simple type a return. If you type a return, your 0 is gone. Okay, window minus, window plus. Okay class, so you see the curly bracket open and close. We type here and need one more function. Okay, now type here a function and tab button space and make a bracket and button, and make it here a curly and hit enter. So why show the error? Make a function name. We type here a function name as a start and time. You see error is gone. Okay, first tab, hit tab, var char and done today. We need anytime is equal to we just type and put okay new and type a ddat, curly bracket close, hit end button and comma, enter, and put here a horse, little this horse is equal to check and time, check time is here is a class, will merge in this class check time. Okay, check time and make a bracket and type here a today. This today is coming from here, today and today's date. Okay, so we type here a dot and get hours and put here a bracket and hit end button and put here a comma and again enter and type a minutes, minutes is equal to check tab, curly bracket and today tab dot get hours, no, gets minutes, here are the minutes, and shift, hold shift bracket, hit end button and again put the comma and enter. Now type here a last second, so nts second space is equal to space check tab, we need a check time and again hold shift and brackets open close and we type today dot get, this time we need a second and hit a hold shift button and bracket, press end button. Now we need a semicolon, window minus, okay class, window plus and now we need a HTML text like this. Scroll up, you see heading 1 and this heading 1 ID is current time. Okay, we are coming here code and type a, first we type a document tab dot get element by ID, okay, tab and hold shift bracket and again simple inverted comma, not a double quotation, and type a you can window minus, okay, double click and Ctrl C copy and come here inverted comma between, Ctrl V paste, okay, window plus, hit end button and press dot and inner HTML and is equal to and type here a horse name. Okay, just double click text hover, Ctrl C copy and paste here and again hit end button and go to the again double quotation, okay, we need a double plus and double click on the minutes, copy and paste here and again double plus and copy the second text, double click Ctrl C copy and paste here and last hit enter button and semicolon. If you see this error, window plus, if you see this error just remove last plus, okay, and now window minus and Ctrl S save, go to the web page and you see your time is still not working where we stack. So let's see, check This check time is coming from check time. Oh, here window plus we not present I, we not type I in the check time function. Okay, window minus, and again control save, go to the web page. You see still time is not coming, where we create a mistake. This is a curly bracket main function. Oh, here we not type a start time. Just control C, copy and paste here, and bracket, and hit end button and semicolon, control S, save, go to the web page. You see now time is still not working. Time is still not working. Okay, we just last mistake, hold bracket, hold shift and bracket. Okay, and again save and go to the web page. You see time is coming, but colon is not present in the time format. Go to the script and we type here and is a semicolon. Here just we type a colon, just hold shift and symbol colon. Okay, control S, save, go to the web page. You see this time is coming, but the main script we just typing here. Again refresh. So I just click a refresh button, you can see the second is changing. I want to need here a new script. This time is going to automatically like this in my system. Okay, let's go how to make this. Okay class, now we need a more scripting for automating run in a second. Click here and hit end button. You see the cursor is going to end button, and again hit enter and again enter. Now type here a simple set time out and bracket open, and type here function and again bracket. So hit enter here. Okay, and type here curly bracket and hit enter, and type here a start time. Where is time? This line. Hit end button and hold shift button and press home button. You see, select all line and control C, copy and paste here. Okay, the start time is running. Go to the web page. Okay class, current time is we done it. This is our minutes and a second. Now we need a date name, day name and month name like this. You see your time is running. I am not clicking refresh, I am not reload this page. This second is automatically running. Okay class, so you see this is a today is Wednesday name, day name, and this is a month name, and this is today date 26 January, and this is year name, and this is hours and minutes and time. So how to make like this format, let's see. Okay class, now time to day name and month name. Go to the script and type here, press home button and hit end button. Okay, so varchar again, type here a full underscore date. You can type any name. I just type a full date and is equal to new and date, bracket close and comma, and scroll down and type here. Just remove it. Type here this same name. Just double click and control C, copy and control V, paste dot to date string. Here is, and again curly bracket close and curly bracket close and just plus. Oh, it is already plus. Okay, control S, save, go to the web page, and you can see Wednesday and today day name and month name, current month name, and today date is 26. Oh, here we need a space. How we need a space? Space like this, double quotation, okay, and double quotation, and again head plus, you will see space here, okay, and again we need a space like window plus, again plus here, okay. If you need more plus, you will see a more plus, you see, okay, window minus. Now our total scripting is done it, okay man. Okay class, you can type here any text, like I just type a time, time, and control save, go to the web page, you can see the time is here, but it is we need a more space. Go to the script and hit here the 2 times space and hit here the 2 times space, control save, go to the web page, you can see time text is coming. You can type anything if you want. Okay, bye bye, tada, see you.